Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now I'm going to practice drawing dynamic poses again, but this time based on Naruto characters. So let's watch this one together guys, let's go. Okay, again I created the drawing from boxes because it's very effective when creating dynamic poses using boxes, because you can understand the perspective very well, because when you see this hand here, this is actually a box is bigger at the front and smaller at the back. So with that you can um, uh, this what do you call it, define the far and the near distance. It's very easy to differentiate, and from here actually I use a lot of Naruto reference image, but I start drawing it using boxes, because when you draw boxes then it will be easier to penetrate to get to the really exciting poses, because when you start drawing straight away the line works, it's just we couldn't figure out the exact position, the small and the big size of the body element. We can see here there's so many different type of interesting perspective that you can never imagine drawing in the past before. You see the placement of the hand is actually uh, at the bottom of the thigh, and this is again another interesting perspective here. This is pretty much all what Naruto poses is like during his fighting style or fighting scenes in the Naruto anime series. See, because of his clothes that is very baggy, therefore his movement is infinite. There's many type of movement that he is actually creating, and in this, as you can see here, the shoulder, it is very dynamic. You got to really bend or twist the shoulder to create that dynamic impactful pose. I'm really sorry because battery is finished just now, it was cut off, and this is quite hard to draw because I keep on erasing to find the perfect posture. This is the posture where you would want to become Kagebuchi no Jutsu, like the 1000 duplicates of Naruto. As you can see here, it seems very easy to draw, but actually I'm having a hard time drawing the shoulder here. It's actually have got the hunchback, so the line has to start from the ear, the line of the shoulder. As you can see, it's just finally I got that right. Yeah. Okay, another type of perspective here where he is punching Sasuke. So I'm drawing it using boxes, which is quite effective when we start drawing it using boxes. As you can see just now, the head I draw is on top of the shoulder, but actually has to be in front of the shoulder to get that very impactful towards the enemy impact. And this is another perspective, what he's about to do. Oh, okay, this is when he is about to throw his dagger from his finger. As you can see, the right hand is actually want to throw the dagger. Yeah, okay, this is a pretty short practices, so hopefully you can get something out of this. This is Kabuto, and as we can see, the poses is so dynamic. It gets captured from a camera angle that is impossible to capture using real life action movie. Everything is capturing from below, from the feet point of view. Okay, hopefully this is very useful for you guys who love Naruto. I keep this video short so that you will not get bored, but I will try to keep on making this dynamic poses video because I really love dynamic poses. I'm sorry that face is so ugly because this is not a face tutorial. Just now, this the final pose, that one is actually got cut off during the drawing. So anyway, that is all from this um, dynamic poses practices. So from Naruto character. So if you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Hopefully this video is very useful for you guys, and also please do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much, and see you guys next one.